How to add another account on Facebook. First, go ahead, open your Facebook application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Then tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. You'll be taken to the menu. From here, you need to simply scroll all the way down and tap on Log Out. Now tap on Yes to confirm to log out of this current account. Now tap on Log into another account that is in the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, a login portal will appear. Go ahead, enter the correct phone number or email address associated with your account and password. Then tap on Login, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. In the case if you've forgotten your password, go ahead, tap on Forgotten Password, and it will give you option to recover it through your phone number or your email address as well. And in the case if you do not have an account yet and you want to make a new one, go ahead, tap on Create a New Account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.